Lagging? Stressed? Toast your old laptop. Unleash chaos and glory with the ROG Strix G16 beast. You know the drill. Your gaming laptop sounds like a leaf blower, and your FPS drops harder than your Wi-Fi during a boss fight. Rendering your latest 3D model? Might as well go brew coffee and learn French. Whether you're grinding ranked matches, streaming to fans, or designing your dream game in Unity, sluggish frame rates, snail-speed loads, and overheating chaos kill your groove. Productivity stalls, creativity dies, and the spark that fuels your game dev or content hustle? Gone. You're stuck in a loop of waiting, tweaking settings, and rage quitting, when all you wanted was power, speed, and some dang peace. But it doesn't stop there. Every second wasted staring at a loading screen eats away at your momentum. Your teammates yell, your deadline screams, and your stream chat mocks you. Crashes happen mid-edit. The fans run wild like a banshee in a blender. You try to focus, but every lag spike is a punch in the gut. It's not just a laptop issue anymore, it's a quality of life issue. You're juggling burnout, bottlenecks, and tech that belongs in a museum. Is this your origin story or your downfall? Because with this much chaos, success feels light years away. Enter the ASUS ROG Strix G16, 2024, the gaming deity you've been manifesting. Powered by the ferocious Intel Core i9-14900HX, a beastly GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, and ultra-fast DDR5-5600 RAM, this bad boy eats crunch time for breakfast. With up to 140-watt TGP, Tri-Fan intelligent cooling, and AMUX switch plus NVIDIA Advanced Optimus, say goodbye to frame drops and hello to buttery smooth AAA gaming and creator workflows. The 16-inch QHD 240Hz Nebula display makes your visuals pop harder than your stress pimples, Pantone validated, color accurate, and fast as hell. You'll feel the difference immediately. Games? Load like lightning. Editing? Flows like water. Streaming? Flawless. The ROG Strix G16 doesn't just eliminate bottlenecks, it obliterates them. Multitask without breaking a sweat. Build, render, slay, repeat. The laptop's Cyberpunk-Inspired chassis screams personality, while the cooling system lets you go full throttle without the meltdown. And yes, it's future-proof with PCIe Gen 4 SSDs, Wi-Fi 6E, and AI-enhanced RTX Tensor Core magic. Get ready to finally have a setup that works with you, not against you. So here's your moment. The call to level up is louder than ever. The Strix G16 isn't just a machine, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Ditch the lag, the stress, and the screaming fans, literal and figurative. Whether you're building your next masterpiece or carrying your squad to glory, this rig has your back. Don't keep pushing through with yesterday's tech. Upgrade your grind. Own your performance. Dominate today. Design tomorrow. And if your wallet's crying? Just remind it, greatness is never cheap, but it's always worth it.